for those MPs in the hardest hit constituencies. We all know that each of them got $10 million, $10 million which they could spend through the various channels to do things in the constituency. The 16 constituencies hardest hit will share a pot of $1 billion for cleanup activities. Only in the 16 hardest hit constituencies is that $1 billion pot to be shared. And then just yesterday, something that would have missed the media, MPs got a letter telling them that each of the 63 MPs would be getting $10 million each for Christmas cleanup, vector control, and so forth. Already. And remember, the phase of the relief we're in is not the phase where housing grants and so forth are going to be given. Yet, so much money has been spent already.